Alright, this is deciles and percentages. Okay, so decile percentages is now breaking it into 10% sections rather than quarters. Your graph will always be random. Now this is a random example, okay? Random example. Okay, this is random example. Make sure that you always have score at the bottom and you have cumulative frequency on the left. So let's imagine that we have a set of school results again. So it goes up to 100, or we'll say 100, and then 10 or whatever. Now we'll make it 0. Let's start you guys at 0. There are 50 students. So cumulatively, it should go up to maximum of 50 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so here's the marks. Now distribution is going to be random, but it has to be some sort of upwards motion like this. That's supposed to be the ogive, okay? But because it's so random, we just do a little curve to it rather than having sharp lines and so. Right? So random that it's a curve rather than sharp lines. Okay, now I'm going to break the hundreds into sections. Okay, every line is 10 points. Okay, so if someone asks, how many people, scored above 50? Alright, how many people scored above 50 marks? How would you determine that by looking at the graph? You line it. So where's 50 marks on the bottom? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Halfway line, okay? So from here we go up and we go to the left. Alright, so how many people did score above 50? Everyone from here and onwards.
Above 50.
Yeah, above 50. So how many people scored above 50?
From 15 and on.
From about here would be 14, we'll say. So 14 and onwards scored 50 marks and above.
Is that what we say?
So you're going to say 36 people did. You see that? 36 people did. Okay, and then they can do the reverse. What mark do you need to be in the top 50%? What mark do you need to be top 50%? Okay, and then we work from the side instead. Now 50% is going to be top 25, so we go from 25 on the side. Okay, we'll mark it there, and then we go down. So it looks like you need at least 61. Okay, you need at least 61 marks.
To be in the top 50?
Yeah, to be in top 50%. Because, yeah, so halfway of all the people is 25. So he's ranked 25. Yeah, ranked 25.
The ones that got above 50.
Now, These people who were ranked 25 got at least 61 marks.
And higher.
So you need 61 and higher to be in the top 50. Or top 50%, sorry, top 50%. You see that? Now, that's a slightly different to being how many people scored more than 50 marks. So you want to see how many people scored more than 50 marks, you start from there, you go up, and we see 24, or 14 on the side. So that means only 14 people got lower than 50, 50. Everyone else got above 50. Is that clear? Now, some of the questions may ask, what do you need to be in the top 10%? How would you determine the top 10% of this grade?
From 40 to 50.
Yep, so you're going to be marking at 45, because top 10% is here. So how much marks did these guys get?
90 something.
90 something, that's right. So they got about 90 something. So,
Around 98, 99.
so top 10%, you need 98 marks. Is that clear?
Yeah. Why are you throwing stuff at people?
Okay, done.